In this tutorial series, we'll show you how you can develop 3 model classes working together. The way we connect one model class to another is by declaring an attribute of type array, and each element in the array is going to be of reference type. Let's now create a new project in Android Studio, and then in the following videos, we're going to show you how to develop the class one by one. Okay, launch your Android Studio and then start a new Android Studio project. And for the application name, let's simply just call that SMS, standing for Student Management System. So we're going to use a Student Management System as an example to show you the various details about how you can declare an array of reference types. Okay, and then for the company domain, let's say EECS 1022 for the course, and then whatever project location you use to store your work. And then we go to next, and then just choose the default phone and tablets, next. And now for the activity here, let's say add no activity. So for this tutorial series, we are not trying to build any mobile app. We'll simply just show you how the model components, specifically how we can develop 3 model classes that belong to the same model components. And then you can easily transfer the idea that you learned from this tutorial into a mobile app. Okay, and then let's say finish. And once we see the project, we'll notice that we have no activity class to actually work with because there's no controller for the mobile app. We only have Java classes to develop. Okay, let's now have a look at the project that has been created, and then we're just going to walk through the directory structure very quickly. Okay, under projects, under app, and then you can see under Java, and then you can see these are the only 3 packages we have over here. But we are only going to modify EECS 1022.SMS. Okay, in the later tutorial videos in this series, we're going to create the 3 classes plus the tester one by one.